Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to get an EIN for your business, completely for free, directly from the official source, and without any unnecessary headache. First off, what actually is an EIN? It stands for Employer Identification Number. Think of it as a social security number, but specifically for your business entity. The IRS uses this 9-digit number to identify your business for tax purposes. But here's the thing. You don't just need it for taxes. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, apply for business credit cards, hire employees, or even just to register your business with certain vendors and platforms. It's essentially the golden key that separates your personal finances from your business finances, which is crucial for protecting your personal assets. Now, a major warning before we dive into the steps. Do not pay anyone to do this for you. There are dozens of websites out there that look official and will charge you $75, $100, or even $200 to get an EIN. Do not fall for it. The process is completely free through the official IRS website, and it takes less than 10 minutes if you know what you're doing. So, let's walk through the exact process. Step 1 is checking your eligibility. To apply online, your business must be located in the United States or a U.S. territory, and the person applying must already have a valid taxpayer identification number, like a Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Step 2 is timing. You need to apply during the IRS operational hours. The online application is only available Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. If you try to do it over the weekend, the system will be down. Step 3 is filling out the application. Head over to irs.gov and search for the EIN Assistant. Once you click Apply Online Now, you'll select your legal structure. Whether you're a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a corporation, or a limited liability company, you'll select the option that matches how your business is legally registered. Next, you'll choose the reason you're applying. For most of you, it'll be because you started a new business. Then you'll enter the details for the responsible party. This is the individual who controls or manages the entity. You'll input your legal name and your social security number. After that, you'll provide the physical address of the business. Remember, the IRS does not accept P.O. boxes here. It must be a physical street address. Finally, you'll answer a few quick questions about your business activities, like whether you plan to hire employees in the next year or if you operate a vehicle that requires a highway use tax. Once you review all your information and hit Submit, the system processes it instantly. Your unique 9-digit EIN will be generated right there on the screen in a PDF document. Make sure to download, save, and print that document immediately because it acts as your official confirmation letter and you'll need it for your bank.